That's the lawnmower I have right now, but I think it needs a tune-up. The carburetor is not getting, well, it's getting fuel, but it's not sending it to the engine, so something must be clogged. And I don't really have time to order parts and wait for them to come and then try to fix it. So what I did, I ordered this one here. This is Greenworks. It's a manual push mower, 20-inch. It's pretty big for, it was way bigger than I thought it would be. I wanted something slightly or the same cut as my gas mower. I don't want to be moving the manual mower back and forth, and I wanted 20-inch, and like I said, it seems to be way bigger. Anyway, it came like that with these handlebars and the grass catcher. The grass catcher is easy to set up, but a lot of people complain that it comes off the mower very easily. You can just extend it like that. Just this would be the catcher. So I'll have to see. So right, it's better to work in an open area where you can see all your parts, because if you're clumsy like me, you're going to drop your nuts and bolts, and you want to be able to find them. Once they hit the ground, they bounce off 10 feet away underneath something, and then you are doomed. I have 4 or 5 pieces of gas equipment, and they take turn dying out on me. Well, it's probably the cheapest. So the bag just hooks on like this, and because it hooks on like this, a lot of people complain that it will fall off very easily. It's very lightweight, much lighter than my push mower. So there it is. That's the grass catcher. Kind of everything is loose. It's a little awkward, unlike my other gas mower, a little awkward to handle, and especially the width. It's a 20-inch mower, so it's much wider than I thought it would be. Oh well. If it's too narrow, then I'm going to say it took too many passes. If it's too wide, I'm going to say it's too wide. So anyway, by the way, I'm making some chicken soup in the solar oven, and using the solar tracker. It seems to be working fine. So, okay. So this is the lawn I cut with the manual Greenworks push mower. It's not too bad, it's short enough, but the biggest difference with this, with the gas mower, is the gas mower picks up the grass and throws it into the grass catcher, and the engine sort of acts like a vacuum cleaner too. So after you mow your lawn looks much cleaner. Got a couple of electric hybrid buses here. One after another. I think they're phasing these out. Anyway, I think that's the biggest difference. Tall grasses, you're gonna have a problem. It doesn't cut them. So you have to go over it with your trimmer. But other than that, it is usable, but I would prefer a gas mower. I'll probably have to fix my gas mower or get another one and use the manual one as a backup.